Welcome back to the channel everyone and good morning from Jagdalpur. We've come here last night and it's a very beautiful city. Now time is around 8:30 and we are heading to Chitrakoot Waterfalls, which is 40 kilometers away from here. So stay tuned to watch some amazing visuals of Niagara of India. I'm at this hotel named the Suri International. It's a very nice hotel for sure. We were about to check out at 6:30 in the morning, but unfortunately we couldn't wake up, and I've been waiting in the lobby for almost half an hour for my friends to come. They haven't come yet, so once we start heading to the waterfalls, I'll get back to you. So guys, while we are on our way to Chitrakoot Falls, we found this amazing restaurant named Aha. Yes, it's a Telugu restaurant and it feels so good to find our native food like 2 states away from our native state, man. It's a very nice place and the food over there is also amazing. You guys visit Jagdalpur, make sure you check out this place named Aha. I'll post the location in the description below. After traveling for 45 beautiful kilometers on amazing roads, we've finally reached the waterfalls and it looks damn amazing, man. Have a look at it, have some cinematic shots of it in 3, 2, 1. So guys, that is how amazing the Chitrakoot Falls was. I thought of capturing a lot of videos, but unfortunately I couldn't. In case you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video real soon. Until then, take care.